a triangle at 90 degrees.
90 degree. Okay. And how many formula you know related to this right angle triangle?
I'm not really sure.
Okay. Do you know Pythagoras theorem?
No.
You don't know Pythagoras theorem?
No. I think we did it a while ago.
Okay, no worries. We will start that. Okay. Suppose if you have a right angle triangle, this is 90 degree, right?
Yeah.
Now, what do you call this one?
Slanted.
This is called hypotenuse.
Oh.
Hypotenuse, okay. And if this is your angle theta, this is called adjacent. And this is called opposite, right? I'm just writing OP. Okay, now clear. So if you have a triangle like this, and this is your angle theta, can you tell me what is hypotenuse?
When it's like on the side.
No, what is the value of hypotenuse? I'm just asking, what is the value of hypotenuse?
5.
5, right?
Yeah.
What is the value of adjacent?
3.
Right, good. And what is the value of opposite?
4.
4. Well, good. Now let's take another triangle. But this time what I'm doing is, instead of putting here theta, I'm putting theta here. This is my reference angle, right? Okay. Now this is 8. Yeah. Let's say this is 4, and let's say this is another number 5. Okay. Now tell me what is hypotenuse in this triangle.
8.
Good. What is adjacent in this triangle?
4.
No. 4. Adjacent means which side is adjacent to this angle.
Oh.
You understand? See, in the first question, what you can see that there are two sides adjacent to this side and this side, but this is hypotenuse, so which means this is your adjacent. So for this triangle, this is your adjacent and this is also adjacent, but always remember, largest side is your hypotenuse or opposite to this 90 degree angle is your hypotenuse, so which means this is your adjacent. Clear?
Yeah.
So adjacent is your 5, and opposite, what is the opposite?
4.
Yeah. Okay, so let's take a last question based on this. No, not this triangle. I'm taking another triangle. Let's say this is your theta. Okay, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. Now tell me what is the hypotenuse.
Is it 5?
Okay, what is your adjacent?
3.
What is, why adjacent 3?
Because it's adjacent to the 0.
No, this is your angle theta, so there are two sides theta. Which is theta is this one. Okay, so this angle relative to this angle, there are two sides. Okay, so one of them should be your adjacent, so this 4 is adjacent, and because 5 is your hypotenuse. You have to just focus on which two sides are making this angle, and one of them will be hypotenuse definitely, and another will be your adjacent. Opposite means, see, one more thing to clarify opposite. Opposite means make a arrow, and whatever is that is your opposite. Opposite means front of that angle.
Yeah.
Okay, is that clear?
Yeah.
Let's take one more. This time this is your theta. 8, 10, 6. Which one is your okay, no, sorry, this is your 8 and this is your 10. Then it will make sense. So what is the hypotenuse?
Is the 10?
Yeah, very
Or
good.
the 8? Oh, yeah.
What is your adjacent?
The 8.
Very good. Because these two sides are making 8 angle, you know.
Yeah.
Then what is your opposite? Just make
6.
Yeah, 6. Now you're familiar with the how to mark adjacent. Are you okay with this? Or you want to practice one more question?
We could do one more question.
Yeah, let's do. Okay. Relative to angle A, what is your hypotenuse?
5.
What is adjacent?
3.
Yeah, now you're okay. Opposite is 4, right?
Yeah.
Clear? So right now it's clear that how to identify hypotenuse. You will see that whatever is in the front of 90 degrees is your hypotenuse, or largest side. Largest side is your hypotenuse.
Yeah.
Is that clear?
Yeah.
Now we are going to do Pythagoras theorem.
Okay.
Okay. Now
Yeah.
what is the meaning of Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is used when two side is given in a right angle triangle. Two side is given.
Yeah.
And you have to find one side. Okay, it is given.
Okay.
This is already given. This you have to find, right? And it always happen in the right angle triangle. So let's take this question. This is 3 and this is 4, and they are saying that find the hypotenuse, or this is x. Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
So how you'll find that?
Use Pythagoras theorem.
Okay, what is the Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem says that square of hypotenuse, C is a hypotenuse, okay, is always equal to a square plus b square, where a and b can be opposite or adjacent. Okay.
Yeah.
Or a and b is the two smallest sides, and we know that the hypotenuse is the biggest side, right?
Okay.
So for this equation, what is my c? First find c. What is your c?
Would it be
X?
4?
No, c.
Oh.
C is always your hypotenuse.
Okay.
A you can take anyone, 3 or 4, doesn't matter, because there is only the things which matter is that hypotenuse, which will come this side. So can I write x square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square? Let me know if you have any issue with this.
Wait, so C. Um, 7.
Okay, you don't need to solve first. Just write x square. We'll go step by step. What is 3 square? Is it not 9?
Oh, yeah.
And what is 4 square? Is it not 16?
Yeah.
Then is it not x square is equal to 25?
Yeah.
So how you'll what is the value of x? If x,
20,
if
25.
no, x square is 25. So what is the value of x?
Oh, 5.
5. So which means this side is your 5.
Yeah.
Any trouble in this question? You can ask if you have any doubts. You can ask.
Not really. I think I kind of get it now.
Okay, so let's try one question. I'm giving you one question. This signs mean 90 degree. You know that. 8 and 6. Find the value of x. Can you do this?
Yeah.
Try. Do by the
so
formula. Write all of them.
So would you do c squared plus...
First I will write c. What is c square is equal to a square plus b square, right?
Yeah.
Then what is your c?
X.
Yeah. Just put c equal to x, a equal to 8, or you can take 6 also. B equal to 8 then.
So 8 squared is 16.
8 square is 16. 8 square is 64.
Oh yeah, 64, sorry. And then 6 squared is 36.
Yeah, right. So basically what you have done is you have written x square is equal to 8 square, which is 64, plus 6 square, which is 36, right?
Yeah.
So what you get? What you are getting x square?
100.
100. So what is the value of x?
10.
10. That's right. Okay. Now this question was very straightforward. You don't have to do any manipulation because directly I am finding hypotenuse. Okay. What will happen if hypotenuse and one of the side is given? Okay, and you have to find suppose this side. So you have to do little bit manipulation. Okay. So I am giving you one question. Can you find this one? Let's say this is x. And remember, x is not hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the largest side, which is this one. Okay.
Yeah.
Try it.
So would you do c squared is x?
No. C is not x. First you write c square is equal to a square plus b square, right?
Oh yeah.
That is your basic formula.
Squared plus b squared. And a is 3 or 5?
No, a is 3.
Oh.
What is c here?
5?
Yeah, c is always hypotenuse. So c equal to 5, right?
Okay.
And you can take a as x also and 3 also. Doesn't matter. Anyone you can take.
So b would be x.
Yeah, you can take b as x.
So 3 squared is 9.
Yeah, right.
And x squared is you can't do.
Okay, so what you have written is c square is equal to a square plus b square, right?
Yeah.
And just you are putting the value of c, a and b. So c is your 5, so 5 square is equal to, let's say a equal to 3 you have taken, okay, 3 square plus
Yeah.
x square, right? Now
Yeah.
this is 25, this is 9, right? This is plus x
Yeah.
square, right? Now we have
Yeah.
to, we will do a linear equation. Now can we shift this one this side?
No.
You can shift. Is it not true?
Oh.
I can put like
Oh,
this,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So what is
Yeah.
your x square? 25
25 minus 9, which is 16.
So what is x?
4.
4, right?
Yeah.
So this was same type of question, but we have to do little bit manipulation. Okay, does it make sense?
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's try one more question, it will be more clear to you. Now find x.
So the formula is c squared equals a squared plus b
Square, where
squared.
c and where c is your hypotenuse. Okay,
So 13 squared
yeah,
equals 5 squared plus x squared. And 13 squared is 169, which equals 5 squared, which is 25, plus x squared, but you need to shift it over. So 169 minus 25, which equals x squared, or x, so x squared equals minus 144, which, so x equals, wait, 12.
yeah, that's right. Okay, so just the last question from this topic. Yeah, try this one.
So c squared equals a squared plus b squared. C squared is 4.
4 is square.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Mhm.
So 4 squared equals 3 squared plus x squared.
Yeah, right.
4 squared is 16, which equals 9 plus x squared. And then 16 minus 9 equals, so x squared equals 7.
X square equal to 7. Okay, maybe, yeah, that's right. So what is x? You have reached up to here, right?
Yeah.
Now what is x then?
You can't.
Actually, we used to take under root both side. When you are taking under root, it become x, and this number is not anything. So just leave that like that, because I will tell you, when you are doing x square is equal to 25, let's say, and you are taking under root, this is giving you x, and under root 25, if you put in the calculator, you will get 5. But if you put this one in calculator, you will get under root 7 or decimal value.
Okay.
Because this is a perfect square, like number like 16, 25, 36, 4 will give you good answer, number. It will give you number. This will give you 4, this will give you 5, 6, this will give you 2. So, but like if you get something like 7 or 11, 13, just take under root of that. Write like this.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so now it's clear, or you want to practice one more question? What do you say?
I'll do one more.
One more?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try. Try.
So c squared equals a squared plus b squared. C squared is 9 squared, or 10 squared,
Mm-hmm.
Equals 9 squared plus x squared. 10 squared is 100, equals 9 squared, which is 81, plus x squared. 100 minus 81, so x squared is 19, which is the root of 19, so x equals the root of 19.
So what you're getting? Have you done like this? 10 square is equal to 9 square plus x square. Have you done this one?
Yeah.
Then this is 100. Then this is 81 plus x square. Have you done this?
Yeah.
Then you subtract it from here. You get 19 is equal to x square, right?
Yeah.
And right, 19 will not give you good number. So x is equal to under root 19.
Yeah.
That's it. I think you understand now how to
Yeah, I do.
how to use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now let's move to another
Yeah.
topic. Why now? Tell me, what is the main criteria of using? What was the main criteria of using a Pythagoras theorem?
When there's
The first criteria is it has to be a right angle triangle, right?
oh yeah.
Right angle triangle. Okay, second criteria, at least no, not at least, two sides should be given. If three side is given, I don't need to do anything. Okay,
Yeah.
so if two side is given and they are asking for one side, you can use the Pythagoras theorem, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now suppose this is your theta. Okay, theta is your angle.
Yeah.
Now with respect to this theta, is it not this one hypotenuse?
Yeah.
Is this not adjacent?
Yeah, it is.
And this is opposite.
Yeah.
Now tell me, have you done TOA in your school?
No, not yet.
Okay, okay, okay. So there is a formula called TOA. Can you remember this?
Yeah.
So how you will pronounce TOA, right? Sometimes students say that oh hell, another hour of algebra. Okay, so
Yeah.
just to remember, okay, TOA. Now what basically, why I will tell you what is the purpose of this. Have this S means sine, C means cos,
Yeah.
T means tan, right? Now
Yeah.
you know these are trigonometric function, so there will be a angle associated with this. So if I am taking this angle, which means sine theta, if I am taking sine theta, it will be equal to opposite, can you see on the screen, opposite
Yeah.
divided by hypotenuse. Is it not O over H?
Yeah.
Similarly, for cos theta, it will be adjacent divided by H. This is H. Okay. For tan theta, it is opposite divided by adjacent. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so when I will do a lot of questions, then you will understand it more. So I'm trying first question. First of all, they will give you like this. Okay, and remember, for writing all of this sine, for writing sine we need O and H. Okay, but for cos we need A and H. If you want to write all of the three, you need all the three sides, right?
Oh yeah.
So maybe they will give you two sides, right, in this question. Okay, they have given you question like this. Okay, this is the question: find sine theta, find cos theta, and this is your theta. Okay, and they have asked you like this. But the thing is that right now with this information I can only find tan theta, because tan theta means opposite and adjacent, right? So opposite and adjacent is given, but for sine and cos we need hypotenuse, right? So I will take help of what I will do.
3 and 4.
No, what we did right now, to find this we will take help
from the adjacent and the opposite.
No. Okay, I'm telling you, two side is given. Okay, to find the third side I will take help of Pythagoras theorem, right? So can I write c square is equal to a square plus b square?
Yeah.
So c is not given, so I will assume x. So is it not x square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square?
Yeah.
So x square is equal to 9 plus 16.
9. Yeah.
X square is equal to 25. So x is equal to 5, right? Now you have all the information. So somewhere I will write SOH TOA just to get a reference. So TOA. So what is the value of sine theta?
Fine.
So
opposite over hypotenuse.
Yeah, so what is the value? 3 over 5. Just you don't need calculator at the moment. So cos theta, what is the cos theta?
Opposite over.
No, adjacent over.
Oh, adjacent over hypotenuse.
4 over 5.
Yeah.
Right. What is tan theta?
Hypotenuse over adjacent.
3 over 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's try one question by yourself. Find sine theta, cos theta. Take your time and solve this. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, try. And okay, sorry, I should give theta also. Theta is this one.
Alright, so first you need to find the hypotenuse. So you use
no.
C squared.
What do you have to find?
The third side.
Third side. So what do you call that?
X, Pythagoras Theorem, hypotenuse.
Yeah. No, it's not hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is always this one.
Oh.
This is adjacent.
Oh, adjacent. Yeah.
Adjacent. Just so you assume x. Always remember that hypotenuse is largest and it will be just in front of 90 degree. It will be mostly
right.
inclined one is the hypotenuse.
Okay. So use the c squared formula. So c squared equals a squared plus b squared.
Yeah.
C squared is 13.
Yeah, go
So
ahead.
13 squared equals 5 squared plus x squared. 13 squared is 169. 5 squared is 25 plus x squared. 169 minus 25 is x squared, and which is 9 minus, which is 144. So x squared equals 144. So x equals 12.
Okay. Yeah, that's right. So x is equal to 12, right?
So the sin is hypotenuse over hypotenuse, which is 5 over 13.
Very good.
Over 13. And the cos is hypotenuse over hypotenuse. Or adjacent over hypotenuse.
Actually, when you're showing, it's opposite.
Opposite.
Yeah. So this is adjacent. So this is 12 over 13, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Try for the tan theta.
Yeah. And then the tan is adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 12 over 13.
Tan theta is not. Tan theta is opposite over adjacent.
Oh yeah.
So
opposite.
Is it not that 5 over 12?
Yeah.
Okay. Basically, you have to remember these things. If you remember this one clearly, and I will give you a short trick how to remember. The trick is, in sine and cos, last letter is always h. Always h, because so, ka. So if there is o here, then it will be different one a, but the last one is same. H will be there. In TOA, there is no hypotenuse. In tan, there is no hypotenuse. Okay, let's just it will come from practice. Okay, so just take one more question. Yeah, try this question.
So c squared plus equals a squared plus b squared. C squared. X. You don't know yet. So x squared equals 3 squared plus b plus 6 squared. So 3 squared is 9, and 6 squared is 36. So x squared equals 36. So x equals 6. So the sine, cos, and tan. So the sine is opposite over hypotenuse, which is 3 over 6. The cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 6 over 6.
Okay, just once wait there. So first what you have done is c square is equal to a square plus b square, right?
Yeah.
Then you have done c is your x, right? Have you done this?
Yeah.
Have you done like this?
Yeah.
Or 3 square plus 6 it doesn't matter. So 36
Yeah.
plus 9, right? So how much you
Yeah.
have got x square?
Oh,
45.
yeah.
So what is x?
3 root 5.
Yeah, maybe I will check
Which
with.
is-
I think you have used the calculator, so I will check. Yeah, 3 root
Yeah.
5. Okay, that's right. Now, what is your sine theta? You can use SOH.
That. Oh, so opposite over hypotenuse.
So what is the opposite?
3 over x, which is 3 root 5.
And if you put in the calculator, you will get 1 over root 5. Yeah, just you can
Yeah.
put it this on. If you put this in calculator, you will get 1 over root 5.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what is your cos theta?
Cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 6 over adjacent. Oh, 6 over 3 root 5.
Very good. Okay. If you put in the calculator, you will get 2 over root 5.
Yeah.
Now, then you have tan theta, right? What is that?
Opposite over adjacent,
Opposite
which
over. Is it not 3 over
opposite.
6?
Yeah.
It is half,
Yeah.
right?
Uh,
Is that okay?
yeah.
So a last
Yeah.
question I'm going to give you, and then I will give you homework. Okay?
Okay.
Happy?
Yeah.
Okay. So now this is your theta. This is 5. This is 10. Okay. Now try. This is 90 degree.
So c squared equals a squared plus b squared. C squared is 10. So 10 squared equals 5 squared plus x squared. 10 squared is 100 equals 25 plus x squared. 100 minus 25, which is 75. So x squared equals 75, which is 5 root 3. So x is equal to 5 root 3. The sin is opposite over hypotenuse, which is opposite over hypotenuse. 5 close. Wait, where is the triangle before?
Sorry?
Oh, yeah, just that triangle.
Yeah.
I just forgot to write. So 10, 5. Okay, so sin is opposite over hypotenuse. Um, nearly done. Okay. So for the sin, I got 5 root 3 over 5.
Okay, first we will find what is this value of x, right? So
Oh, yeah.
can I write c square is equal to a square plus b square?
Yeah.
Then 10 square is equal to 5 square plus x square.
Yeah.
This is your 100. This is your 25 plus x square.
Yeah.
So x square is equal to 75.
Yeah.
So x is equal to root 75. Right?
Oh, I got 5 root 3.
Yeah, that would be right. Just put in the calculator.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, 5 root 3. That's right.
Yeah.
So what is your sine theta?
I got 5 root 3 over 5.
5
Root
over
3.
5 over 10.
Oh.
Because in
Five.
sine the last one letter is h, and h belongs to hypotenuse.
Oh.
Makes sense?
Oh,
Why?
yeah. Yeah.
What is cos theta?
Of adjacent over hypotenuse.
What is adjacent?
With adjacent is 5 root 3
Over
over 5.
10.
Oh, yeah, 10.
It's hypotenuse, okay, for both one.
Yeah.
And for tan theta?
Opposite over adjacent, which is 5 over 5 root 3.
Yeah. Okay, that's all. Okay. So
Yeah.
pretty much you understand what is the Pythagoras theorem and what is TOA, how to use sine theta, cos theta, and tan theta.
Yeah.
Next time we'll do a little bit more thing. There we will study how to find this angle theta. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose if this is given,
Yeah.
let's say sine theta equal to this, they will ask you what is the value of this angle. So next time we will learn about this. Okay, so can you write this homework?
Okay. Yeah. Hmm.